We'll guide you through how to upload audio on Roblox. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're uploading this audio to then go and use in Roblox Studio, or perhaps you're uploading it for another reason. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through the steps you need to take in order to do this. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, because at the end, the audio is then going to go and be on Roblox and you can go and get the sound ID and SID for it and be able to go and use it. So to get started, you need to come to the Roblox website. You can see here we are. Now go to the top and you want to go and press create. Next, you want to go over to the left and you want to go and find the option for creations. And then what you need to do is go to the top here and you can go and press development items like so. Now you need to come along the row of options and find the option for audio. And as you can see here, it says add audio, upload audio to use in your creations. So here you can go and see the requirements. It needs to be in the format MP3, OGG, FLOC, or WAV, and the max size is 20 megabytes. So what we can then do here is we can go and press upload asset. And then we're taken to this page here. Make sure it's to audio at the top. Then we can press upload. Your file explorer is going to open up. And what you need to do is go and locate the file. So in this case, I've got this one here. So I can then go and press open. And it's now selected. You can then go and give it a name. So this is a popping effect. So I'll type that in, add the description or just leave it as audio. And you can then go and press upload. Now go and wait. It shouldn't go and take too long. Of course, the larger the file size, the longer it will take to go and upload. There we go. That was really quick to go and upload. And here it is. So now what you can do is come over to the right and press the three dots. And to go and get the asset ID, you can press copy asset ID and then go and use it in Roblox Studio. And also you can go and click on it here as well. And you can choose whether you want to go and distribute it on the creator store if you wish. And you can check out the other permissions to the left here as well. If you found this useful, then leave a like.